Good afternoon. It is the 12th of January. We've had a busy day today with exports coming out this morning and then followed at 11 o'clock by a crop report. We'll comment on that. I'll just tell you that the report at 11 o'clock was very bullish for soybeans, neutral for corn, and somewhat bullish for wheat. The report that came out at 11 also was considered negative for cotton. We'll look and glance over those numbers in just a second. Taking a look at the markets, cotton's closing down 76 at 72.38, a high of 73.80, a low of 72.25. Soybeans in March were up 29.5, a very big move there. Just before 11 o'clock, before the report came out, soybeans were down 2.5 on the day. So we went from down 2.5 at 11 o'clock following the report. We're closing up 29.5 at 10.41 in March beans, a high of 10.41 and a quarter, a low of 10.06. Corn, as I said, had a neutral number and closed up about a half cent at 3.57 3/4 with a high of 3.60 and a low of 3.52. Wheat had a pretty good number, closed up 7 at 4.25 3/4, a high of 4.30, a low of 4.14.5. Let's take a look quickly at the numbers. The cotton number that came out was a production of 16.96. The average guess was 16.52. So that was the negative for cotton. Looking over at the grains, we had a corn number that came out at 15.148. That was just slightly under the average guess for production. Production for soybeans was 4.307. The number they expected was 4.380, so that was a good bit under the average guess. Then we had on ending stocks, corn at 2.355. They thought it would be 2.396, so that tightened up a little bit in corn. Soybeans, 420 million. 420 million carry out. They thought it would be 468, so another positive surprise there. Then quarterly stocks, corn was 12.384, soybeans were 2.895, and the corn number was slightly higher than the average guess. The soybean number was lower than the average guess, and so that's the way the market reacted today. Let's look at other stuff. Dollar down 57. Crude oil is up 77 cents a barrel. Gold is up $2 an ounce. Silver is up 3 cents an ounce. And the Dow Jones right now is down 80. So that is it for today. A very busy day, and a negative one for cotton, positive one for soybeans. So we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. We'll have an early update tomorrow, and at 7:30 we'll have our monthly cotton teleconference. And our lead speaker tomorrow will be Dr. John Robinson. So make sure you can join us for that. So that's it. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.